Plummers Environmental Services has been serving Grand Rapids and the surrounding area for over 25 years. As a family-owned and operated business, you can depend on us for many years to come. When it comes to complete industrial and commercial waste management solutions, our expert team works hard to assess your specific needs and implement the safest, most effective options for waste removal and processing. Our industrial team covers a wide range of cleaning, transport, and disposal services. We transport and treat industrial wastewater, clean pits and trenches, steam clean, pressure wash, hydro excavate, and so much more. Our municipal services include sewer cleaning and rehabilitation. As a NASCO certified contractor, we also offer state-of-the-art video inspection services with GIS integration. You can trust that Plummers Environmental has the expertise, equipment, and people to keep your business or community operating at its best.